So for this first problem, what we're going to go ahead and do is we have to find the velocity of this ball. So how we go ahead and solve this problem is by doing t minus mg equals mv squared over the radius, since we're dealing with circles here. And remember, we have to find the velocity so we can see how far it travels to the right. So to simplify it, to find the velocity, the equation is r times t minus mg equals v squared over m. Now, the radius is going to be plus the height plus whatever the radius of the circle is, which is 260, times 2.2 n, which is our given tension, minus 90, which is our mass, times 10, which is gravity, over 90, and that equals v squared. So we want to simplify it, so we get the square root of negative 25936 equals the square root of v squared, so v equals 161, which the answer here would be approximately 160 is the velocity.